Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys the tie rod ends that I basically change and how they look and how it's supposed to be. You feel me? But I had changed them yesterday. I do have to also change the one that's on the driver's side as well, and I need to replace the ball joint because one of the ball joint on the driver's side is bad. So the inner and the outer tie rods is bad. It's not all that bad. It's bad, but it's not severe because I don't feel the shake, but it's basically bad because today I did the alignment and the guy told me that, hey, he still got the wheels to go straight, but slightly when I accelerate I notice it's still pulling. The car is still pulling on one side, so like going to the right. So he told me I need a new ball joint and also inner and outer tie rods on the driver's side. I just replaced. Hey, it's crazy, but it's life, you know. I just recently replaced the ones that's on the passenger side, and it was no big deal. It was under $200. It was under $200, so it was a steal. You know, they did it like in less than 30 minutes. So I will be looking forward to get the other side on the driver's side installed. Maybe sometime next week or in 2 weeks or so. But anyways, guys, look at the old ones. Switch my camera around. These are the old ones, guys. As you can see, this is the one that was on the this is the outer and this is the inner. Got the inner. No good. No good, no good. This one is on the passenger side. Passenger side right here. As you can see, the booth is done. It's not supposed to wiggle like this. It's easy, you know. Not supposed to be moving around that easy like that. It's supposed to be stiff. So the booth, it was busted, you know. Busted. So this one is done for. No good, no good, no good. I'm gonna show you guys the new ones that I got. So I already replaced the one on the passenger side. That's the one that's on the passenger side, the one that's no good. Now, as for the new ones that's going on the driver's side, since I already installed the new ones on the passenger side, this is how it looks. I want to bust it open. I just didn't want to lose that extra, you know, part that's in there. But still got it in plastic. In plastic, you know. I didn't want to open it. So this is the inner. This right here is the outer. Now look at the difference. This is the outer to go on the driver's side. Look at the booth. See, it's not moving at all. It's stiff. It's stiff, not moving at all. No matter what you do, it's not gonna move. So that's the difference. That's how you could tell that, you know, when one of them is good and one of them is bad. This one is not moving at all. The booth is perfectly fine. It's not busted. Then again, this is brand new, guys. And that's the old one. As I showed you guys, it was moving. I was just using my thumb to move it. See the difference? No matter what I do, it's not wiggling, it's not moving. Wow. Meanwhile, the busted one is easy to move. It's not supposed to be moving like this. And when you're driving as well and you hit any bump or a little accelerate, you could hear the little knocking. It make a sound. You hear a knock. So that's why it's very important when you drive. Do your best to avoid potholes, because I had dropped in one of them that was so deep and I was just thanking God it wasn't my axle, because oh my goodness, I had just recently replaced that axle too, and I was like, man, I can't afford to, to do that, so get that replaced again. So my tie rod ends, this one is done. Look how easy it is. While I struggle with the new one, the old one is easy to, it's done. The booth is busted. You can see the grease that's inside of it. It's done, guys. So in 2 weeks I'm gonna purchase the ball joint for, it's gonna come with two, and I'm gonna get them from this place. It's on eBay. I'm gonna get it, and the brand that I'm gonna get is called Detroit Axle. They go with like high-end parts, matching the OEM. So good quality, good high quality. So that's what I'm gonna go for. But yeah, guys, as you guys can see the difference, new ends, old ends. I can't wait to get it installed, and I'm gonna have to do a oil change as well. Not an oil change, I'm gonna have to get an alignment as well. So they have the pin in there. Don't want to lose that pin. I don't want to lose that pin, so make sure I put the new one back in. New one. Can't even move it. No matter what I do, it's not gonna move. Stiff. It's supposed to be stiff. Not supposed to be easily moved. But yeah, after when I get these ends installed, get these new ends installed on the driver's side, I'm still gonna need to replace my ball joint as well, because my ball joint on the driver's side is bad as well. So yeah, your boy have a little mission going on, Yeah, if you're a person like me that do a lot of driving on the road all the time, do DoorDash or Uber Eats, maybe Lyft or Uber, ride sharing, whatever. You got to be very careful how you drive. Take your time. I know sometimes the money, you don't want to miss out. You want to deliver the food fast as possible, do your thing, but take your time on the road. Don't be like me. Sometimes you can't really avoid all potholes, but even though you can't avoid them, take your time by going down in them. You don't want to mess nothing up like I did, because everything is money these days, and a lot of these shops is overcharging. Today I went to this shop, and I went to ask the guy how much they charge for a alignment. I think they told me like $130 or something. I was like, that's ridiculous. Went to another shop, a guy told me $110, another one told me $120, another one told me $50, another one told me $85. So it's good to shop around. It is good to, you feel me, in this economy right now that we're living in right now, everything is bad. Everything is just getting outrageous in prices. So you have to shop around. You can't stick around to one place. And this guy came in to get new wipers, and I can't believe they told the guy $75, and that's include labor. Can you imagine you purchasing wipers? you go to a shop to get your wipers replaced, and they told you, hey, that's gonna be $75. I was like, yo, I had wanted to tell the guy so bad, yo, you might as well go to Walmart, buy them yourself, and you could ask one of the employees to install it for you. Once that Walmart have a tire department, once that Walmart have an auto center, the employee, you could literally ask the employees to install it for you, and they'll do it for you if you can't install it yourself. And there's multiple videos that is on YouTube you could basically watch, look at, and learn to do certain things yourself to save money. And I think he actually did it too. He actually paid a price. Can you guys ever see yourself paying $75 on wipers? That is ridiculous. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm facing right now. That's what I gotta do right now. I gotta install these inner and outer ends and ball joints on the driver's side of the car, and also I still have to get another alignment, but you know, time will come. I'm gonna just take my time right now with my car. I'm not feeling that much vibration no more, because as I said, it's not all that bad. It's bad, but it's not severe, because I don't feel that vibration coming from the driver's side while I drive. I was feeling it really bad. That's on the passenger side, and I just recently replaced that, so no more vibration coming from the right, and I don't hear that knocking noise no more. So that's that. In 2 weeks I will be getting the other side done, get that installed, and I'll be good to go, you know. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope you guys learned something. Take your time on the road. Do your best not to drive like a maniac. Do your best to avoid as much potholes as possible. Do your best not to like accelerate going over a speed bump, whatever. Do your best not to do that. You know, you want to save money, not lose money. And it's hot. It is hot. It is burning up. I'm in the garage right now, and it's burning up. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. Peace, bye bye, take care, God bless, and I'm out.